Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Bhute. Today I am discuss with you third stage of the genetic recombination. It's a transduction process. Okay. Last video I am discuss with you what is the transformation into the genetic material and conjugation process. Okay. So last step is of the obtained by genetic recombination as a transduction process. Okay. So guys, look at that. Genetic recombination third process is a transduction. So transduction, this procedure is obtained by for the genetic recombination between the each other. It's a phage, means viruses. So viruses are not freely transform their genetic material into the another cell. Okay, because they are depending upon to be host. Okay, so not they are carried to be physical contact between the another virus. Okay, not possible to be this condition as a viruses. Okay, because they are having to be envelope and higher than protein codes. Okay, they are totally depending upon to be host. Okay, so viruses which process obtained to be they are combined to be their genetic material into the new cells. Okay, so guys, viruses are depending upon to be host. Okay, so then they are enter their genetic material into the host. Okay, so their genetic material and bacterial material for the already present by their genome into the bacterial body. Okay, so this both are the genes are combined to be each other and created by inherited marker. Just look like, for example, it's a cell, bacterial cell. Okay, viruses are entered to be then, just like firstly carried to be attachment, then penetration, and then uncoating. These procedures of the viral bacteriophage of the replication I am explained to be into the details. Okay, so firstly carried by attachment, then penetration, virus particle entered to be host body. Okay, then they are uncoded, they are having coding, so they are uncoded, they are freely removed. So already into the bacterial body present by their genetic material, just like it's a plasmid called as to be plasmid of the genetic material of the bacterial body. Okay, so it's a viral particle and it's a to be plasmid of the bacterial body. Okay, so that timing viruses are replicated to be ourself more than. Okay, and also made by their coating capsids, just like have to be different structure. Some viruses are carry to be attachment of the undergoes of the bacterial cell with their plasmid, and they are made by just a different like structure. For example, this is a blue line are created to be bacterial genome and red is a viral genome. Okay, some types of new genome formed by this combination between the each other. Okay, so that timing to be after uncoating and maturation process, they are released, bacterial body are released, they are released, so make by just like a structure, just like. Okay, so it is a completely viral particle, not, it is not the completely viral particle, it's a combined to be, it is a combined to be carry bacterial genome and viral genome, so they are created by inherited marker. Okay, create marker because they are easily understood because they are having to be different genome material. Okay, so this different genome material of the phage to be find by next host for carried to be their replication. Okay, make by new inherited marker, new bacterial cell and new genome to be carried combined between the each other. Okay, so guys, into the transduction process, phage means bacteriophage, our viruses are carried to be their replication. not said to be bacteriophage because bacteriophage are already combined to be each other. Okay, so these are the virus particle are to be viral and bacterial, they are combined each other, is called as to be bacteriophage because this is combined to be bacterial genome and phage. These are not only single to be our viral genetic materials. Okay, so this procedure of the transduction for the genetic recombination, they does not carry to be physical content just like a conjugation, and not transform to be their genetic material as a freely just like a transformation procedure. Okay, so they are created by their genome, means they are inserted by their genome of the viral particle into the bacterial cell, and this genome of the viral particle and bacterial genome just combine to be each other, and their assembly means having to be protein code, and then they are released and found by another host. Okay, so carried by their more than replication. Okay, so into the transduction process, viruses are carried to be just like their genetic recombination. They are genetic recombination obtained by into the bacterial genome. Okay, because they are depending totally of the host. Okay, they are not directly carried by their genetic recombination. So it is the third procedure and last procedure of the genetic recombination. It's very easy. I hope you understand, and take by screenshot, and I hope you to like to with this my video, and thank you.